Hello, little friends! Today we're going on an ABC animal hunt. Can you find all the animal friends? Stay until the end. The last animal is a surprise. Let's go! Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Let's say it together. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Awesome! It's a kangaroo. Kangaroos are great jumpers. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Hop, hop, hop. Wow, what a big jump! Great job! Bye-bye, kangaroo! Lion! Lion! Can you say with me? Lion! Lion! Fantastic! Look, it's a lion. Roar, roar! Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Roar, roar! Amazing! That was a loud roar. Bye-bye, lion. Monkey. Monkey. Say with me. Monkey. Monkey. Wonderful. Look, it's a monkey. Monkeys love to climb and swing. Can you swing your arms like a monkey? Swing, swing, swing. Great job! You're moving like a monkey. Bye-bye, monkey. Narwhal. Narwhal. Let's say narwhal together. Narwhal. Narwhal. Excellent! Look, it's a narwhal. Narwhals have a long tusk that looks like a unicorn horn. Can you point to the narwhal's tusk? Point, point. Fantastic! You found it! Bye-bye, narwhal. Owl. Owl. Can you say owl? Owl. Owl. Awesome! Look, it's an owl. Hoot, hoot. Owls can see very well at night. Can you make an owl sound? Hoot, hoot. Wonderful! That sounded just like an owl. Bye-bye, owl. What animal starts with this letter? Are you ready to play? Let's go! What animal starts with the letter K? Is it lion? Kangaroo? Tiger? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Kangaroo! Great job! What animal starts with the letter M? Is it monkey? Panda? Zebra? 3, 2, 1. Monkey! Fantastic! Let's try another one. What animal starts with the letter O? Is it bear? Owl? Cat? 3, 2, 1. owl! Amazing! Here's a tricky one. What animal starts with the letter L? Is it lion, narwhal, frog? 3, 2, 1. Lion! Roar, roar! Awesome work! Last one. What animal starts with the letter N? Is it narwhal, monkey, horse? 3, 2, 1. Narwhal! You got it! Wow, you answered all the questions. Give yourself a big clap. Let's keep learning our ABC animals. P, panda. Panda. Let's say together. P, panda. Panda. Great job! Look who's here! It's a panda! Pandas love munching on bamboo. Can you pretend to eat bamboo like a panda? Munch, munch, munch! So funny! What color is the panda? Black and white. Excellent! Bye-bye, panda! Q, quail. Quail. Can you say quail? Q, quail. Quail. Can you say quail? Wonderful! Look, it's a quail. Quails are small birds that love to explore. Can you flap your wings like a quail? Flap, flap, flap! Fantastic! Can you spot the quail's beak? There it is! Great job! Bye-bye, quail! R, rabbit. Rabbit. Let's say rabbit together. R, rabbit. Rabbit. Awesome! Look at this cute rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. Can you wiggle your nose like a rabbit? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's so cute! Can you point to the rabbit's ears? You found them! Bye-bye, rabbit! S, shark. Shark. Say shark with me. S, shark. Shark. Excellent work. Look, it's a shark. Sharks swim through the ocean all day long. Can you make a shark fin with your hand? Swim, swim, swim! Amazing! You're swimming like a shark. Bye-bye, shark. Tiger. Tiger. Let's say it together. Tiger. Tiger. Fantastic! Look, it's a tiger. Tigers have beautiful stripes. Can you count the stripes? 1, 2, 3. Great counting! Now let's roar like a tiger. Roar! Roar! Awesome job! Bye-bye, tiger! Let's play a fun game. Look carefully at the animals on the screen. Can you find the panda? Take your time. Look carefully. 3, 2, 1. There it is, the panda! Great job! Let's try another one. Can you find the rabbit? Look closely. 3, 2, 1. You found it! The rabbit! Awesome! Ready for the next animal? Can you find the shark? Look carefully. Keep looking. 3, 2, 1. There it is! The shark! Fantastic! Let's keep going. Can you find the tiger? Look at all the animals. Which one is the tiger? 3, 2, 1. You got it! The tiger! Amazing! One more. Can you find the quail? Look very carefully. Can you spot it? 3, 2, 1. There it is! The quail! Excellent work! Wow! You found all the animals! Give yourself a big clap! You're doing an amazing job! You made it! Did you guess the special animal? See you next time for another ABC Animal Hunt!
Want to bring our lesson into your home? You can grab a free printable starter kit in the description below to practice at home.